Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the pricing details of the upcoming mobile phone from the Realme. So which is a Realme GT series. The Realme GT has got the very good high-end Snapdragon 888 processor, and the pricing is really shocking, friends. It's really unexpected, the pricing. So I'll try to discuss all the pricing details in this complete video, and even I'll try to show you the specifications of the phone, and even I'll try to mention what date the phone is going to get launched as well. So let's see friends, all these details about the Realme GT in this complete video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for this live wallpaper what I'm using in this video. So let's get started with the first thing is that the price of the phone. As I said, the price of the phone is really shocking. The reason why I'm saying the price is really shocking, because the phone is coming under 465 US dollars. As you can see friends, 465 US dollars. So if you do the conversion of the 465 US dollars to the Indian rupees, the Indian rupees will be around 33,000, as you can see here friends clearly. So 33,000 rupees you are getting the Realme GT series. The Realme, if you expect the price is going to be high, maybe in India by the time the phone get launched in India, I think the price will be around 35,000 or 36,000. So this is what I'm expecting for the Realme GT price to be there. At least if the phone gets launched by 35,000, this will be the very good phone which has the high-end chipset Snapdragon 888. So let's see friends, what will be the results are when the Realme decide to launch in India. So and even the specifications of the phone is also really good. Not only the Snapdragon 888, but phone has got the 120Hz AMOLED panel, so which is the same AMOLED panel which is present in the Realme X7 Pro as well. And apart from that, we do see the UFS 3.1 storage. That's another good advantage. LPDDR5 RAM, that's another bonus advantage. You're getting 12 GB RAM variant, 256 GB storage. And this is the color of the phone which is going to be as you can see, GT edition. So this is a new series, so it looks really good, the phone color. I did like this kind of black and yellow color thing going on this phone. So let's see friends, this will be the cheapest Snapdragon 888 processor launched in this year. As you can see, this is one of the 5G will be the cheapest Snapdragon processor. As I said, the phone is priced at really low price when you compare with other Snapdragon 888 mobile phones. So let's see friends, what the Realme is planning about this phone. And the phone is coming on the date of March 4th. So on March 4th, the phone is going to get launched. So there are so many phones which are going to get launched in the upcoming days on the March 4th. So let's see which phone will be having the better results and better specifications. And thank you for watching this video friends. For more this kind of interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and see you in the next video friends. So this video is only for the mainly to tell you about the price of the Realme GT. It's going to be less in China, so definitely in India the price will be around close to 35,000, I'm guessing. So let's see friends what will happen, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.